Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. And yes, I realize I am a little late on this, if it wants to focus on the box. I'm a little late on this, but I finally decided after a while of Apple not changing anything that I am going to go to the Galaxy side of things for a little bit and try it out and just stay exclusively Galaxy. I've been on the S22 Ultra. I've got my pre-order in for the S23 Ultra, so I went ahead and sold my iPad Pro 12.9 inch and picked this up. It was on sale at Best Buy for $9.99. So a few $100s out of pocket, but not a huge amount for something like this. This is just your base 128, 8GB RAM model, basically the same specs as the S22 Ultra, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This does have expandable memory though, so the 128 is not a problem. And I probably won't even fill that up anyway, but if I want to put an SD card in there for storage, I can do that. I've already cut the tape on this just for the sake of video because I still do have that broken foot. So I have it propped up on a chair here and I'm kind of leaning over the camera. So not the easiest thing to do, but let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at it. Very excited to try this thing out. I've had a Tab before, I think it was a Tab S6 for a brief period of time, and I enjoyed it, but I went back to iPad. But I sold my iPad this time, so we are going to be using this exclusively. So we're going to take this out and put it off to the side real quick and see what else we get in the box. And then right here we do have your S Pen, which is very nice that they include that. Apple doesn't include the Apple Pencil with the iPad, so nice to see they include that with this tablet. And then right here we have your ejector pin for the SD card slot. It's basically a SIM eject pin. Just gonna leave that in there, I don't need that. And then in here we have your USB-C cable and stuff like that. Again, just gonna leave all that in there because I already have plenty of those out and about. Go ahead and move this box out of the way and bring over the tablet. So this tablet is designed to be used in the landscape orientation like this. Of course you can switch it to portrait, but everything is set up and orientated this way. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off real quick. I just got to pull it behind the camera so I can use both hands. And it is really stuck on there. Let's see. The glue on this is very strong. And this thing is super, super light. Just carrying the box upstairs, like I took my iPad out to ship it today, and carrying that and carrying this are a way different experience. This thing is super thin, very, very lightweight. Going to be a nice tablet to carry around. I haven't ordered any accessories for it yet. I probably do want to get a case for it, probably one of the Samsung ones. I really like the keyboard trackpad combo, but I don't want to spend $350 on that right now. But I'll probably get like the folio case or something like that, or see if Spec saw something. I think Spec did have something for like $39.99, so that's a pretty good deal. The pin can go on the top here. There's some plastic wrapped around the top, so it does stay right up there on the top. It will not charge up there. You do have to put it down here on the bottom, right below the camera. Sorry about that. Right below the camera to charge it. But if you're using the tablet, you can stick it on the top for storage and easy access without charging it and stuff like that. So that is very nice. That is the Tab S8 Ultra. I'm not going to do the setup on camera just because it's too hard for me to reach over and do all that. So I'm going to go set it up and we'll do some more videos on it later on. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.